All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Global Genius. So in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can start the 30-day summer class or the 30 days Python for AI program for kids. Okay. So first of all, we are going to send you a link. So take that, copy that link, open up a browser like this, whatever browser you might be using. It could be Chrome, it could be Firefox, it could be Opera Mini, whatever browser you're using. Open your browser, paste the link that we sent to you. Once you paste it, hit enter. It will take you to the sign up page of the Global Genius. All right. Once it takes you here, it takes you to the sign up page of the Global Genius. So enter email address, enter your password, and confirm your password. All right. So let me say I'm going to open an email and I will say kid@gmail.com. All right. Then my password could be anything. So make sure you have your password. So I can go with this. And then after entering your password, you can actually open it. You can click this to see what you have written. You can close it. Then you also have to confirm your password. So whatever you have written in the first box, make sure it confirms with the second one. So I will write the same thing. And once it does that, you will see that this button will be highlighted. But if it does not match, you can see I cannot click on the button anymore. So, but once it matches, once both of them match, okay, we will have this continue button. So if I click on it, it would sign me up. It says sign up was successful. Now, once your sign up has been successful, what you need to do is to go to your dashboard. All right. Once you're here, I assume that you're using a desktop. All right. I assume you're using a desktop to sign up. I'm not assuming that you're using a mobile phone. All right. So click on dashboard to go to your dashboard. Once you go click on your dashboard, then this is your dashboard loading. All right. So what you would do first of all is click on profile. All right. Click on profile. Once you click on profile, it will open your profile page. So there are a couple of things that are required for you to do here. Your first name, you have to enter your first name, your last name, your username, your phone number, and your WhatsApp number. Okay. So now, your image is not compulsory, but we need your first name. I could say John. All right. Then I will click on save. It will save it. I could also say my last name is um, Gary. All right. Whatever your last name is, click on save. It will save. Then what username do you want to be using? You can say whatever. I can say kid programmer. However you want to go with it. So it is your username. You see? So whatever you want to use as your username, all right, you can use that as your username. So you click on save, all right, enter your phone number, all right, enter your phone number, edit your phone number. You can enter your phone number, okay, click on save. Even if you're not on WhatsApp, you can still enter. I can just copy the other one. If you're not on WhatsApp, no problem, but just enter something here. You can't leave it empty. So I click on save. Now, if I go to the top, now you can see that my profile says 7/7 because the image is not compulsory. And then this is your referral link. So if you tell your friends about us, all right, if you tell your friends in school about us, you will give them, we gave you a link to sign up. So you would also give them this link. So if you click on this icon now, this will be copied. So you send it to your friends, okay? So that when they join, once they come and pay money, buy our course or join this program, you would also get some money. Do you understand? So, but that is by the way, we'll also show you how to do that. Now your profile is complete. So what you have to do now is, your profile is complete. What you have to do now is click on Browse for Courses. Click on Browse for Courses. Then, once you click on Browse for Courses, you will see 30-day Python for AI Foundation. That is the one you're going to be taking. So click on it. Click on it, 30-day Python for AI. Click on this image. All right, click on this image. It will take you to the class. Now, our program is we all have recorded videos. So this is the course page. All right, this is just the description of the course. Then, if you take a look at down here, you can see that we have four chapters. So the program is divided into chapters. So what you can do is, if you want to take your first class, you see, if I click on this title now, this week one, it will take me, it will open this one and also take me to the page. It will take me to the page, what's it called again? It will take me to the chapter page. So I can read more about it. You can see that this chapter has 7 sessions. All right. And these are the minutes that you can take, but we only just have one. That's why it's just 29 minutes. Other ones are coming. All right. So now what you would do is this. Once you have clicked here, you can click to expand, or so you can also click this arrow button like this. Okay, so you have to expand it. It is under this chapter that you see the classes. So this is day one class. So if you want to take this day one class, all you have to do is to click on it. What is Python and AI? Click on it. It will bring you here. All right, and this is the description for this class, and you can see that this is the video. All right. So this is the video that you're going to, this is your class. All right. So what you have to do is to play it. Now, let me tell you something. While you're taking your class, make sure you're jotting something down. Jot down the things that you understand. Jot down the things that you don't understand. Those things that you don't understand, call us, chat us up on WhatsApp so that, or tell your mom, tell your dad so that they can reach out to us and you can ask us your questions. Okay. So now I'll click on play and then the video will play. All right. It's just loading. Okay. So,
hello everyone, welcome to your first day in artificial intelligence and Python.
okay. So you can expand it.
In this program, in this 30 days program,
You can pause it. Okay. And you can actually fast forward it or go back, however you want to do it. Okay. So this is the class. So you play and watch this video. After watching this video, what you need to do is that you come down here. When you complete the class, after watching the video till the end, make sure you watch it till the end. After watching till the end, you will come and click on quick test. You have to write this test and you have to pass it. Click on quick test. All right. Then what does AI stand for? You will click on, excuse me, you click on the one you think is the answer. All right. Click on the one you think is the answer. What is Python? Click on the one, just click on the one you think is the answer. Do you understand? So click on it like this. So just click on the things you think is the answer. All right. Then after answering all the questions, you come here and click on submit. If I submit it now, you see that the system is going to score me. If I click it now, it says that your score is 0. This is poor. You have to retake this test. So if you don't score anything up to 7, if you score anything less than 7, from 6 downward is poor. We would ask you to retake the class. You have to retake the class. You have to score at least 7/10. If not, you will not pass it and you will not go to the next class. So, and if you are trying to answer it and you're not getting it, that means you did not understand what was taught. Go back and rewatch this video. We want you to understand what was taught in the class. And as you're watching the video, if you still don't understand it, please reach out to us. Tell your dad, tell your mom, let them talk to us on WhatsApp so that we can answer, we can help you out. Okay, we're always here to help you out. Okay, so this is how you take your first class. When you finish this one, after taking the first class, if you pass this test, that means you have completed the first class. Then you can come back here, expand this, and then click on the day 2. All right, if you finish day 2, you watch the video, you write the test, you come to day 3, just like that. Okay, I promise you, this is going to be fun. You're going to be an AI engineer in the future. You'll be creating AI agents, all right? You'll be creating artificial intelligence agents. So this is going to make sense, all right? Thank you very much. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you, and I will see you in your next class.